Preloaded subwoofer enclosures are highly convenient, and Pioneer wants to take care of your entire system in one package. Their TSWX subwoofer enclosures feature built-in amplifiers, making them a one-stop system that will take less than an hour to install. The TSWX enclosures come in 5 options: the TXWX1010LA 10-inch shallow mount enclosure, the TXWX1010A 10-inch sealed enclosure, the TSWX1210A 12-inch sealed enclosure, the TSWX1210AH 10-inch ported enclosure, and the TSWX1220AH dual 12-inch ported enclosure. And these enclosures aren't cheap. For example, the TSWX1210A is $200, and the top of the line TSWX1220AH dual enclosures have a list price of $750. And according to Pioneer, it puts out 600 watts RMS. Personally, I'm going to take that with a grain of salt. Even with those 2 subwoofers, the amplifiers on these enclosures look very insufficient to the claims Pioneer makes. I don't care how big your subs are, it's the amplifier that's going to be powering them. And these aren't impressing me too much. And with $750, you have a lot of options for other systems. But Pioneer's main selling point is convenience. The built-in Class D amplifier features several adjustments, including gain control, crossover frequency selector, bass level, bass boost, phase shift, low pass filter switch, and RCA or speaker level selector. The amps also feature built-in fuses. Accessories vary with the enclosures. Some come with a low-level RCA harness, remote to bass control with extension cable. The AHs come with a power and ground connection block, hardware, and metal mounting brackets. Connect the signal source harness to its input. For adjustments up front, connect the remote bass control. The connector block is designed to accept up to 8-gauge cables. The WX1210AH and WX1220AH feature a slot port placed on the bottom of their bass reflex enclosures to maximize subwoofer output. The TSWX1010LA is a shallow mount sub and designed to slide underneath a seat. The trapezoid design of the other enclosures increase installation flexibility. They can be installed facing the rear, the front, or lying on its back facing upwards. To connect directly to your head unit, simply use the low-level RCA harness and connect to the preamp output of your head unit. If you're using speaker-level inputs, cut the RCAs off and use the harness for the high-level connections. Be sure to go to qualitymobilevideo.com to get all of your car audio and video gear with us today. Links for everything in the bio below. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click that like button. Join the conversation below and subscribe to our channel if you're new. Thanks for watching.